welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am showing you guys how I achieved this look. It is a very bold eye look using the new palette with Shayla and Colourpop, the Perception palette. Amazing. And I can't wait to show you guys how I created this look using this palette. If you guys haven't checked out Colourpop yet, you guys need to. They have such good products. I think you guys will be super impressed. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And those that are not new, thank you guys so much for tuning in again. But if you are new, let's be friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video as well. Let's get going with the video and I'll show you guys how to achieve this really bold look. Let's get started. So the face obviously needs some work, but I do want to do kind of a more bold eye look, so I'm going to wait to do my foundation. So to prime the lids, I'm just going to do what I always do, which is just add a little bit of concealer. For today's look, I am actually using a new palette that I just picked up. It is the Perception palette by Shayla and Colourpop. The colors in here are gorgeous. When you look at it initially, it's kind of like, how are those gonna swatch? I will include swatches in the video to show you guys just really how beautiful these colors are. They're so buttery, they're so creamy, they go on so smooth. I'm just like so in love with them. So I'm going to use this palette today, I think. I'm not quite sure what kind of colors I want to do. The blues kind of intrigue me a little bit. I think I might do something of that nature. So I'm gonna go into this shade here, which is called Culture. And I'm going to take a fluffy Morphe brush. It's an M441. And I'm just going to start building that crease up. And we're gonna do a really pretty vibrant look today. This color is beautiful for the crease. It's such a good neutral color. Then I'm going to deepen up the crease just a touch. I'm going to go into this really pretty orange shade, which is called Thick, and I'm using a Japanesque blending brush, and I'm just going to add that right in the crease. For the color, I think I'm actually going to go into this shade Sassy, which is kind of a teal grayish blue. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid with an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to apply some Fix Plus to really intensify the look. So I do want kind of a bolder look. I love this color, but I want to add a pop of this blue on top, I think, just to kind of intensify. Spray it. Yes! I'm going to add some of this Stallion shade, which is like a black shade, but it has specks of blue in it, and it just is so gorgeous. So I'm going to pop that into, I think, the outer corner just to deepen it up a bit. And I'm just going to try to kind of carve out the corner a little bit. I'm going to try to kind of wing it out a bit, and then I can clean this up with a makeup wipe after, so no worries there, but I'm just trying to add a little bit of like drama kind of into a feline shape, as you can see. I'm gonna buff that out just a touch. I'm gonna use this Luxie 231 brush. It's a fluffy tapered brush. And then taking a makeup wipe, I'm just gonna carve out that shape. Boom. All right. So I'm just going to buff a little bit of that Culture shade again, right on this outer corner, just very softly, just to kind of mesh the whole eye look together and blend everything in. This is it right here. came out of nowhere and I popped it. Ooh, I feel guilty about it, but it needed to happen. But I popped a little bit of tea tree oil on it and boom, it's already almost gone. If you guys ever need something for blemishes, tea tree oil is the shiz. All right, you guys, I'm going to complete the other eye and then we will come back and complete the face. I completed the eyes and they ended up looking a little bit more feline than I anticipated, but it's okay. I'm kind of feeling it, I'm here for it, I'm liking it. So we're gonna pause and take a little break on the eyes, but let's get going on this face here because I've been looking a hot fire mess. This girl needs makeup in her life. So I'm applying my Hourglass Veil Primer, and this is just a sample size, which I'm really sad about because I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna need to purchase the full size. This is just such a good primer for covering all your pores, and I've found that every time I've worn it, I've had a really good makeup day. So I'm just gonna rub that into the skin. And this is also good too. It's supposed to help with redness, which I have a little bit of redness going on today. I went on a run right before this and had the reddest face I've ever seen in my life. If people would have seen me in that moment, it would have been no good. I looked like I was about to pass out. Today I am using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation because I'm obsessed. I actually picked up a new shade, 312, which is a golden shade, and I normally use Warm Honey, but I thought that I would mix the two because I'm kind of like in between. Like my body is tan, but my face, as you can see, my face is a little bit white. If you guys ever struggle with finding a foundation that is matching your skin tone, just make a cocktail. Not only do I love actual cocktails, but foundation cocktails are like my jam. This isn't bad. I think the color actually worked out pretty nicely. I love this foundation. It always just looks so flawless and beautiful. Now I want to apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, of course, in the shade Light Medium. Do you guys ever forget to wet your sponge and then you have to get up and it just throws the whole game off? This is one of my favorite parts. Sometimes I think of like back in the day when I didn't even conceal at all. Like, what was I doing with my life? I need to do like a video on oh my God, I'm struggling today. I need to do a video on how I used to do my makeup because concealer was not even, it wasn't even in the routine, which is honestly scary. In case you guys are wondering if you're new, this is a Morphe sponge. This is the one that I always use. Can't talk right now. Making moves. All right, and then I'm using my Mercier powder, and I'm just going to set the under eye area. While the powder marinates, I'm gonna bronze up the face a bit. I'm gonna go into my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and a fluffy Luxie brush, a 514. Bronze this face up so we look like a golden goddess. And it is a drugstore bronzer, which I love me some drugstore products. I'm gonna dust this powder away and then we'll complete the eyes. Just kind of patting that into the forehead just to make sure it sets. When you're out in the sun all day or just summertime, it's always good to have a good setting powder so that you're not looking oily throughout the day. All right, let's complete this eye. I am going to take that brush I used earlier to pack on that blue shade, and I am going to just lightly pick up that Sassy color again. And I'm going to mix it with the blue as well and then just line the lower lash line. And I'm just gonna pack the colors so that I don't get any fallout. Oh yes, we are here. We are here to play. Okay, these eyes are looking fire. I'm gonna try this NYX eyeliner. It's kind of an aqua teal color, but I think it might just kind of like add a little bit of brightening to the eye. So let's see how this turns out. So I'm loving how it's turning out. I don't think it needs any eyeliner. I think it's bold enough as it is. So let's add a little bit of blush and highlight, and then we're gonna complete the look. I'm gonna use today my NARS blush. This is in the shade Oasis, just a Japanese blush brush. Yes, honey. I'm gonna pop off the camera really quick, apply my lashes and mascara, and then we'll come back and complete the look. All right, you guys, so I have applied the lashes and my mascara, and I use my Ride or Die mascara, the Loreal Lash Paradise. And the lashes today are the Faux Mink Ardell lashes, and I love these style. I wanted to be able to see the actual color through the lashes, so I didn't go crazy on the lashes today, but I do like how they turned out. So let's complete this look. We are going to use the Colourpop X Shayla lip products as well. So I purchased the shade Quickie. This is a gorgeous nude shade, which has a little bit of kind of a peachy pink undertone. And then I'm going to top it off with this ultra glossy lip gloss in the shade Neat Freak. I can appreciate that because I myself am a neat freak. I'm gonna line my lips with my MAC Cork lip pencil. All right, let's try out this lipstick. I'm so excited. This lipstick, it is so creamy and beautiful. I love the color. Let's complete the lips and add a little bit of the gloss here. Ooh. It's a beautiful gloss, you guys. It is so pretty. I wish you guys could see it in person. It has these like gold reflex with almost like little green, blue, but it's just so pretty. I'm going to be obsessed with this lip gloss, I feel like. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Dose of Colors highlighter in the shade Fuego with my Morphe M501 brush. Yes, we are glowing. All right, let's set the face with some MAC Fix Plus. Oh, you know what I forgot? Highlight, inner corner. I am going to go into this shade Unbothered, which is this beautiful kind of silvery shade with an undertone of gold. Let's pop it, boom, right in that inner corner. Holy fire. Hello, truck. Welcome to the party. Ooh, garbage is here. All right, you guys, this is the completed look. I am like dying for this look. I normally keep it very warm tones and very, you know, very casual, but this is not casual. This is like, I'm gonna go hit the club, you know, living life. I'm loving the change of pace though. And I'm glad that I really stepped out of the comfort zone and tried something a little different. To give you guys my thoughts on this palette, I have nothing but wonderful things to say about this palette. If you guys haven't tried Colourpop, their products are amazing. They really do a good job on their collaborations. And the shadows in this palette are so just unique and super blendable, creamy. They're just so pretty. I can't wait to film more looks with this palette. The lipstick was so bomb. This is like probably gonna be one of my new favorite nude combos. The lip gloss in itself is just so good to have, I think. I think it'd look good even with no lipstick. They're super affordable. I will list all of the pricing down below, so don't forget to check out the description box. All of this makeup that I used today is super affordable, so you guys should check it out. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, show me some love. Also subscribe if you have not already. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I post new videos each week. I hope you have a fabulous week. Until I see you in my next video, love you so much.